Exercise 11.3, question number 1 is, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Here you have given two figures. One is cuboidal box and other one is cubical box. Right? And here dimensions are given as length, breadth and height of cuboidal box is 60 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 50 centimeter. And the dimension of the cubical box is given 50 by 50 by 50, that is length, breadth, height is 50 here. Okay, length, breadth and height all are 50 here centimeter. You are to tell which of box requires the lesser amount of material to make. आपको बताना है इसमें से किस बॉक्स में कम मटेरियल लगेगा बॉक्स को बनाने के लिए. So if you want to make the box, that means you are to find out the area of surface area. आपको surface area बनाने हैं material के, right? You will make the 6 surfaces of cubical and cuboidal box. इनके आपको 6 surfaces बनाने हैं. That means you have to find out the area. To find out material, you have to find out the area of these boxes. और जिसका area ज़्यादा होगा उसमें ज्यादा मटेरियल लगेगा और आपको बताना है किसमें लेस अमाउंट ऑफ मटेरियल लगेगा. सो दैट मीन्स जिसका एरिया कम होगा, राइट. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट area of cuboidal box. Let's find out the area of cuboidal box. It's 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into length is 60, breadth is 40 here, plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. We have just put the value here in the place of length, breadth and height. Now 2 into, solve it, multiply 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. 2 into, add it will be 7400 is equal to, it will be 14,800 centimeter square. Area should be in square, so it will be 14,800 centimeter square. Next, let's find out now the area of cubical box. So it will be 6 into L square, that is 6 into 50 square, 50 into 50, it will be 15,000. Right, 15,000 centimeters square. So which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? That is cubical box, 14,800 centimeters square. So cubical box requires the lesser amount of material to make because it has less area. Its surface area is less. Second question is, a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter by 48 centimeter by 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. There is dimension of suitcase is given. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? आपको एक सूटकेस की डायमेंशंस गिवन है और उसको कवर करना है tarpaulin क्लॉथ से. ठीक है, एंड यू आर टू कवर 100 सच सूटकेसेस, 100 सूटकेस कवर करने हैं, एंड यू आर टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ तारपुलिन क्लॉथ और जिसकी विड्थ गिवन है, क्योंकि अगर आप क्लॉथ देखेंगे दैट शुड बी अ रेक्टेंगुलर, रेक्टेंगुलर में होगा वो लेंथ एंड विड्थ, जिसमें ब्रेथ गिवन है, आपको लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है, एंड वो तारपुलिन क्लॉथ आपको कवर करना है सूटकेस के ऊपर, राइट? तो सूटकेस ऐसे 100 सूटकेस के ऊपर कवर करना है और आपको उस तारपुलिन की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो तारपुलिन क्लॉथ कितना लगेगा? जितना 100 सूटकेस पे मटेरियल लगेगा उतना ही तारपुलिन क्लॉथ चाहिए। अगर आपको ये पता है कि कितना तारपुलिन क्लॉथ चाहिए, एरिया, सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट द लेंथ इजीली। तो उसके लिए पहले आपको एरिया फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा तारपुलिन क्लॉथ का। तारपुलिन क्लॉथ का एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आप क्या करोगे? फर्स्टली यू विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ वन सूटकेस, देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ 100 सच सूटकेसेस। 100 सूटकेसेस के ऊपर तारपुलिन क्लॉथ कवर करना है, दैट मीन्स उतना ही आपको तारपुलिन क्लॉथ चाहिए, राइट? So first let's find out the area of suitcase. Dimensions are given here 80 into 48 into 24 centimeter. How will you find out area? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Right, then 2 into, multiply it first, it will be 3840, right, plus 48 into 24, it's 1152 plus 24 into 80, 1920. Add it now. 2 into 3840 plus 1152 plus 1920. What it will be? 6912. Now multiply it by 2. You will get 13,824. Right? And it's given in meter square, centimeter square, centimeter, so it will be centimeter square, right? So 13,824 centimeter square is the area of one suitcase. Now you will find out the area of 100 such suitcases. It will be 100 into 13,824 is equal to 13,000, it will be this much centimeter square. 13,82,400 centimeter square. Now this is the area of 100 suitcases. 100 suitcase को tarpaulin cloth से cover करना है. That means tarpaulin cloth का जो area होना चाहिए that should be this much, right? And width is given in centimeter. आपको length meter में find out करनी है. Width is given in centimeter. What you will do here now? See, now this is the area of 100 suitcases. Also, this is the area of tarpaulin cloth. अब tarpaulin cloth कैसा होता है? Rectangular. Tarpaulin cloth is rectangular. तो ये tarpaulin का भी area है. So we can write down it as area of tarpaulin. Area of tarpaulin is equal to 13,82,400 centimeter square, and it is in rectangular form. Rectangular form में होगा cloth piece, so it should be length into breadth is given here 82,400. Now you will find out, you will put the value of breadth here. What is the breadth here? 96. Breadth will be divided here, or you can write down directly. आप directly भी लिख सकते हो. Directly also you can write down like this, that length is equal to area divided by breadth. Area is given 13,82,400 and breadth is given here 96. Now you will divide it, right? Divide 13,82,400 by 96. You will get 14,400 centimeter, but you have to find out the length in meter. So divide it by 100, it will be 144 meter. And this is your answer here. Firstly, we found the area of one suitcase. फिर हमने 100 suitcase का area find out किया by multiplying 100. फिर जो 100 suitcase का area है, that is the area of tarpaulin cloth. The tarpaulin cloth तो rectangular shape में है, so it should be length into breadth. So breadth length find out करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, area को breadth से divide कर देंगे, then you will get the length of the cloth. Third question, find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Now we have given surface area of cube that is 600 centimeter square. आपको side find out करनी है, right? Use the formula. What is the surface area of cube? That is 6 into side square. Surface area of cube is 6 into side square, which is given here 600. आप side को ले सकते हो L, x कुछ भी ले सकते हो. You can say 6x square is equal to 600. x square 6 इधर जाकर divide हो जाएगा. x square is equal to 600 divided by 6 is equal to 100. Right? So x square is equal to 100. You can write down it as x square is equal to 10 square, or you can find out the square root कि x square root of 100 हो जाएगा, or you can write down like this also, 100 that is 10 square, square and square will be cancelled, x is equal to 10, right? Or you can do like, if x square is equal to 100, then x is equal to square root of 100. And we know that square root of 100 is equal to 10. So 10 centimeter is the side of the cube. Again, I am repeating, here we have given surface area of cube, total surface area which is 600 centimeter square, and that is 6 into side square, 6l square. तो 6 divide हो जाएगा, l square x square रह जाएगा, that is 100. और x निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, square root of 100, that means side of cube is equal to 10 centimeter. ठीक है, right? Now question number 4 is, Rushkar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure. There is a given a cabinet whose length, breadth, height is given as 1 meter by 2 meter by 1.5 meter, right? How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? बॉटम को छोड़कर अगर उसने बाकी सारा पेंट किया है तो कितना एरिया कवर किया? अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द क्वेश्चन. It's given Rukhsar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter by 2 meter by 1.5 meter. Dimensions are given here. And how much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? अगर उसने cabinet के bottom को छोड़कर बाकी सारा area paint किया है, then what will be the, how much area did she cover, right? So you are to tell about the covered area except the bottom. मतलब आप total surface area में से area of bottom minus कर दोगे, right? It's total as 2 into LB 2LB plus 2BH2 plus 2HL. अगर आप bottom को remove कर दो तो आप LB1 लोगे, right? It should be, then the area should be LB plus 2BH, क्योंकि bottom को paint नहीं किया तो bottom और top का area same होता है, which is LB. अगर हम इसको L और B consider करें like H, तो bottom आपके पास आएगा L into B, right? As length is given here, it's given like this, length breadth is given here 1 meter and 2 meter and height is given here 1.5 meter. तो bottom का जो area है that should be length into breadth. तो हम एक length breadth को कम कर देंगे and that will be the area then. L is 1 into 2 plus 2 into breadth is given here how much? Here we have given breadth like length is given this. Make this correction. According to the figure, length is given 2 meter, breadth is given 1 meter. अगर आप 2 1 difference भी कर देंगे like length 1 breadth 2 then also you will get the same answer. So if I take it as 2 into 1 then breadth is here 1, height is here 1.5 plus 2 into 1.5 into 1 L sorry 2. Right, now solve it. 2 into 1 that is 2, 1.5 into 2 3.0 into 1 3 plus 1.5 into 2 3 into 2 6. So what will be the answer here? 11. 11 meter square area she covered, right, when she painted.